Which of the following activities is a bird least likely to partake in? Say hello at 3 a.m. B. Keep seed in bowls. C. Eat wooden furniture. D. Poop on the dog. I'm gonna guess B. Kid. I can't go to school. I'm sick. Parents. You're going to school. You're not even coughing. Kid. Friend. Relax, man. The final boss isn't even that strong. The final boss. Oh god, they can do the splits. Get in, loser. We're going screaming.
Sorry, bro. Seat's taken.
I would not see, and I would feel very bad when my butt goes on that thing. I can't stop saying Grispit. Hey, Grisps you. What is the difference? Why would you show me two pictures that are the same thing and then ask me that? Friend.
Come in, he don't bite.
Me. Bird. Yeah, I don't know, pal. Why is the new wireless mouse I ordered not working? It just beeps. I thought he was in a salad spinner and you were tormenting him. Why is he so distraught? He's freshly out of the egg and was quacking at the same time. Day 10. And they still don't suspect a thing.
For your safety, keep this door closed.
What is up with that bird? Sorry, I can't be him. Handsome fruit eater. Whenever I'm having a bad day, I just Google birds behind glasses of water and it helps. Both seats are occupied. Your bird at 5 a.m. getting ready for their morning scream. A weird guy got into my Uber this morning. What is with these giant birds? Nobody. Owls. Woo. Due to the density of their feathers, not a lot of people realize how long an owl's legs actually are. They are like 100% leg. I don't get it.
I wish owls couldn't fly and this was just how they got around.
I mean, that's what they do in D&D, I guess. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? I don't know who's asking, the dude or the parrot? Therapist.
Quackosaurus Rex isn't real. He can't hurt you.
Quackosaurus Rex. Oh, it's like a little necklace that gives him arms. What do you call a bird who drinks too much alcohol? An owlcoholic. Ooh. I can never get a nice picture of them all together. Why is he always doing some crazy stuff? Bowling ball? No, I haven't seen your bowling ball. I don't know where it could be. Suspiciously bowling ball-shaped stomach. Forbidden sushi. Eat it. Eat it. This bird perch. Whoa, mama. Yo, man, check it. Pigeons after they crap on 10,000 cars and unlock the golden skin. I thought I was supposed to be black and gray. How fast was this duck going? It's like Turbo, but for birds. Best use of false eyelashes. Oh yeah, he's got style. The tallest mallard duck to have ever lived since records began, known as Longboy. He lives on the campus of the University of York, England. He stands just over 1 meter tall. Meanwhile, in Canada, use the other door. The goose will attack you if you go out through this door. What is with geese and their violence?
My name is Harpo. Please don't put your hands in my cage. I might.
I already ate the rest.
Everything is fine.
On the inside.
Oh my god, honey, I'm pregnant. Aw, yes. It's twins. Okay, I can't afford that.
Don't ever talk to me or my sons again. Aw, that's so... Oh, why is the main guy a penguin? I shouldn't have fed that one duck yesterday. Flamingo in flamingo heels. When you just got engaged and someone asks to see the ring. Perfectly fit. When you feed the pigeons Skittles instead of bread. Taste the rainbow and become the rainbow. Friendly reminder that owls are not waterproof. This is why you never see them in the rain. Yeah, they are looking rough. Except for one on the left, he looks really cute. Me and my sweetheart when we reincarnate as chickens. Hold me tight like hamburger. Wet pigeon. Chicken can't afford an umbrella, so she uses her wings to keep her chicks out of the rain. Can't afford? It's a chicken. So what? She can lock it and make some money. Spam from Hogwarts. Sorry I'm not getting back to your emails, but you don't have to send all this. I think this bird got confused when someone told him he belonged in the sky. He decided to be the sky instead. Hey, he blends in. I'm selling these 2 tennis balls. Who's interested? Is the left one the bird? Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Bird or tennis ball? Impossible to say, but thank you for sharing. Birds with no wings. People should just add arms instead. Had 20 minutes to spare, so I decided to go and see the fam. What up, guys? Unexplained phenomena? Cryptid? Why him crux so big? Proof of the paranormal. I took my birds to the vet just to find out that they are sick AF. Yo, who gave them tech decks? The Duolingo bird when I haven't been active for 2 days. Beg for your life in Spanish. Broccoli boy. Aggressive geese keep walking. Oh boy, that guy did not live to see the next day. Fruit birds. They always blend in so well. I live in constant fear. Stop giving your bird weapons! This photo I took on a safari looks like a Pokemon battle. Hold the bird gentle, like hamburger. The case is solved, boys. We finally got him. Look at this beautiful boy. This looks like a traffic cone strapped onto a swan. Blocked. He did not call him beautiful. I destroy things when my human isn't looking. I'm a jerk. Heart, Sophie. A crow tried to go into our classroom and he had a pen. Yes, hello, I am here to learn geometries. The crow is more prepared than some of my students. I love teacher bloggers. One day I want to look at myself the same way that my bird looks at himself. Gotta be proud like a parrot, and I'd be proud if you guys all liked the video and subscribed to the channel. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace, peace.